Huh, what is this doing here? It's about to fall. Let me pick it up. Okay, so you don't have to use crayons. You guys can use anything else. Maybe something smaller in large quantities, so it'll be even messier. I'm just gonna go with crayons because I thought it would look cool. For this prank, you're also gonna need a rubber band. So let's go ahead and cut it. Just like that. We're gonna tie knots on both ends, and these are just for better grip. Now one end, we're gonna tie or tape onto the tray. So whatever you guys use, that could be a paper plate, that could be a piece of paper, whatever it is, guys. Either tape it or tie it on, which is what I'm gonna do. All right, that works. It's not too visible, but it'll do. You guys can see it's not that visible, and even if they do see it, they won't think much of it. Now the other end of the rubber band, we're gonna attach to an edge of a table. So if it's on their desk, even better. Attach it like I'm doing so right here, guys. Make sure it hangs a little from the bottom, and of course we'll be using tape for that. Clear tape is the best, as always. All right. That works. Okay guys, then we're gonna put the tray close to the edge, pretend like it's gonna fall. So that way when they see the tray and it looks like it's gonna fall off the table, they're gonna try to reposition it, either push it forward or pick it up. Regardless though guys, the rubber band will pull back the tray with crayons and it's gonna cause a mess. Just watch. Huh, what is this doing here? It's about to fall. Let me pick it up. So that's what's gonna happen, guys. The rubber band was actually stronger and it pulled it back as soon as I picked it up. So that's the prank, guys. Again, you guys can use anything. It doesn't have to be crayons. It can be oats, it can be beans, it can be rice. The smaller the better, and the larger quantity, the bigger mess.